guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in emojis to your videos via text. So go to text, add in your default text, and you can either go to like an emoji page right here and like select an emoji, right click copy, go back to CapCut and right click paste, or you can go to the touch keyboard here if it's there, and you can add it from there instead. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!